This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pashurdavis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The Federal Reserve's powers for fighting the pandemic were severely curtailed on Thursday after Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin took the unusual step of not extending funding for many of the central bank's emergency lending programs that are financed by the federal government. Mnuchin is hoping the funds can be used by Congress for other needs, but many believe the move is designed to hinder the incoming Biden administration's ability to effectively respond to the latest escalation of the coronavirus in the United States. Fed Chair Powell had recently hinted that those emergency programs were likely to be extended in December, but Mnuchin's decision to pull the plug on most of them now leaves the Fed racing to come up with alternative support for the economy, as there has been no let-up in the surge of new infections across the country. The daily tally of new infections in the U.S. hit another record yesterday, reaching 185,000 cases. The growing list of restrictions may have already started to hurt the recovery as jobless claims unexpectedly rose last week. Renewed worries about the economy amidst all the vaccine euphoria has put a dampener on stocks this week. After a strong start, the Dow Jones and S&P 500 are on track to end the week flat. But the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite is set for moderate gains, as tighter restrictions have boosted stay-at-home stocks. Futures contracts for all three indices were last trading in the red. There was some good news for the markets to digest this morning, however, as talks between Republicans and Democrats in the Senate on a new fiscal stimulus package have restarted. European shares opened higher on Friday, and major FX pairs were confined to narrow ranges. The US dollar managed to regain some positive footing after yesterday's downside reversal. The euro slipped slightly amid caution about the fate of the EU's virus rescue fund, and the pound inched higher as hopes of a Brexit breakthrough remained high, despite the talks in Brussels being temporarily suspended after a member of the EU's negotiating team tested positive for COVID-19, forcing Michel Barnier to self-isolate. EU leaders have reportedly been briefed today that a deal is very close, though differences persist on the main sticking points of fisheries, governance, and a level playing field. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.